This is the review of the Swift box that I bought off Amazon. I'll put the link below. The first thing I want to comment on is the fact that the hole isn't the same as it was in the picture. It's a semicircular hole, as you can see. It was an elliptical hole in the picture. The dimensions for Swift holes are supposed to be 35 millimeters by 60 millimeters, and this is about 60 wide and about 30. So it may or may not be an issue. The door opens to allow easy access to the inside. There's no nest cup built into it. Some reviewers have commented on the wood itself, and I guess I'm a little bit concerned because it's got this sort of bluey green look, which normally means the wood's been pressure treated with chemicals, which you probably wouldn't want for a Swift nest. It's actually constructed using nails here, and you can see from the back that they use staples to hold some of it together. In terms of mounting it on the wall, you've got these keyhole shaped grooves, so you need to push it up against some screws, screw heads, and then drop it down, which is going to be quite difficult 3 or 4 meters up from the ground, and it's going to be quite difficult to get them the right size, so I might choose an alternative method of attaching it to the wall. The door on the end is secured by this clip. It's got an FSC badge. It's got a nice shiny badge on the front. Best for birds, which I'm sure the Swifts will appreciate. I'm concerned about the chemicals that might have been used in preserving the wood, so I'm going to give it a good rinse off. A couple of years ago I had a Swift take up residence in a crack in the fabric of the house, in the sealant in the corner in that window. So I'm planning to install my Swift box between the 2 windows at about the same height as the Swift nest was a couple of years ago. Here are the plates that I've decided to use instead of the keyhole provided with the Swift box. Screwed it in place with 3 12mm screws. The clip doesn't actually secure the door fully, so I've screwed a bit of ply over the door to hold it in place. To get the box at the top of the ladder, I've put a loop of metal around one of the attaching plates and then attached a rope that I've taken up the ladder in advance. And there it is, mounted on the north facing wall.